The Autodesk Standardized Data Tool for Revit allows me to load in and use the IFC database. To do this, if I go up to the Interoperability Tools tab and pick on Assign Classification, it will open up the dialog box. Inside the dialog box on the left side we have some icons that will direct me to different parts of the dialog. The very top one is the Options dialog. In the Options dialog, I can come down and see the classification databases that are available to me. To use the IFC database, I just need to make sure that the checkbox is checked beside the IFC 4add1 and the IFC 2x3 TC1 database. If this is turned off, the icon will go away, but as long as this is checked, I will see the IFC icon. Once I have it loaded, I can pick on the IFC icon to go to that database. There's one more click to load it, and that is to load it into this particular project. So I'll click here to load it into this project. Once it's loaded, I can then see all the different classifications that are inside this database. To use this, I can simply go back to my model and select on an element. For example, I'll pick on this door. With this door selected, I will go back to the Interoperability Tools, go back to Assign Classification, and then make sure that I'm looking at the IFC database. And as you can see, it drills down already and filters out doors since I have doors selected. And I can expand the door category out and select whether this is an interior type door or a gate or trap door or whatever it is. I'm just going to assign it to A71 door type and hit the Assign. If I do want to switch databases, I can use the drop down in here to switch from between the IFC Class Mapping 4.1 and the 2x3 TC1 database. So I've got different options there. But with it assigned, I can go ahead and close this, and just to show you where it populates that parameter, it's in the type properties. So in my properties, I will pick on the Edit Type button and scroll all the way down to the bottom, and I will see that we have an IFC Export As parameter, and it's populated that data to that parameter.